life and you're the only one who's living it. Let's go, let's live, let's love every mile. The only way to travel is Cadillac style. Yeah, the only way to travel is Cadillac style. Cadillac style.
Welcome to the elegant world of Cadillac.
Thank you for joining this video. This is another car out of my collection. It's a 1987 Cadillac Fleetwood d'Elegance. I've got a few of these in my collection, I guess about 8 or 9. This one is one of the least fully loaded ones I have. I've got a few with factory alloy wheels, factory Astro roof, and a few other goodies. This one does not have the sunroof. It does have the factory security alarm, the auto dimming mirror, and the auto high beam dimmer, power passenger recliner. There's no memory seats on this one. I ended up buying this one just because it was really clean. I've had it, I don't know, probably 11 or 12 years, I guess. And it's a very well kept example. It's certainly not one of my uber low mileage brand new in the wrapper cars, but nevertheless it is a very, very, very clean Fleetwood d'Elegance from 1987. The car is all original paint. Everything works on it like it should, right down to the trunk pull down motor and the power antenna. It's in really nice shape. I take this car out. The other stuff I don't really drive in my collection. It more or less just stays in a temperature-controlled warehouse. But this particular car I do take out from time to time. I do go to the odd Saturday or Sunday afternoon car meet-up with it. It's definitely a kind of car that you can drive around and not be afraid to enjoy it. The HT4100, of course, Cadillac's infamous motor, runs well in this one. No issues at all. No leaks, no drips, no nothing. Anything the car need, I addressed it. It was a one-owner car before me. Somebody wanted me to have it. Some relative passed away, and they knew I had a collection of these, and basically said, "Hey, how about taking this from us and making sure it goes to a good home?" So I agreed to do just that, and as you can see, I've babied this car. And I've kept it pretty much mint. Maybe put since 2007 or 8, maybe. Also has a trumpet horn, of course. I'd probably put maybe about 2,000 miles on it in the last 11 or 12 years. Anyways, it definitely makes a great collector car for somebody looking to get into the hobby on a budget and not want to spend too much money. This definitely would be the car. It's obviously not one of the more sought-after models, but nonetheless, it is a nice car that you can cruise and enjoy in on the weekend and take it to a show and won't break the bank. That's for sure. Anyways, thanks for watching, and more cars to come in the next couple of weeks.